Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download videos directly from Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll want to search for the video you need to download. In the search bar at the top, type in your query and hit enter to pull up the results. For this example, we're going to use Pexels, which is a great resource for downloading free stock videos. So when you see Pexels appear in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Pexels website where you can browse through thousands of high-quality videos that are completely free to use. Now that you're on the Pexels site, take a moment to browse through the available videos. You can use the search bar on Pexels itself to narrow down your options or simply scroll through the trending videos on the homepage. Once you find a video that catches your eye and fits what you're looking for, click on it to open the video page. This will display the video in full along with more details about it. On the video page, you'll notice a button that says Free Download. This button is your key to getting the video saved onto your computer. Go ahead and click on Free Download, and the video will immediately start downloading to your system. Depending on the size of the video file and your internet speed, this might take just a few seconds or a bit longer, so be patient while the download completes. And that's it. The video is now saved to your downloads folder and ready for you to use however you need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.